Okay, the next part of this workshop, I thought I would show you guys a little bit about the cloning tool and how you can use it to clone images within your own photograph. So let's say, for example, you really want to show off how your tulips look, but you don't have enough tulips. You can always try to clone them in there. So here's a picture I thought we could use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone this little seagull here and put him right here. So to get your cloning tool, you click on the stamp, and there's your clone stamp tool. And then what you can do is choose your brush size. So I want, a fairly large size so that I can get that actual bird in there quite nicely. And I turn the hardness down. What the hardness does is if you look at the picture here, it makes it quite like fuzzy, so it's not a hard, crisp ending. It kind of blends in a little bit. So to get the actual part that I want to clone, I put my mouse where I want to start to clone, then I hold the Alt key down, and then I press. So now I'm going to be selecting from that. So you can see kind of a highlight in the brush where I am, what I'll be getting when I clone. So then I'm going to hold my mouse button down, and then you can't see it very well, but as I go down, you'll see there's a little plus sign, and that's what I am cloning from. And then I can get a copy of that seagull into my photo. That easy. And so that's how cloning can work. What you have to be careful of, let's say for example I wanted to do this one. Again, I'll hold the Alt key down, and I'm going to go for the head. Is you want to try to make it blend in as much as possible, because if you don't, if I start to take this one here and I'm cloning it, see, I can get the brown portion or the gray portion from the surf on here, which doesn't look like it belongs. So what we want to do is make sure that we're getting an appropriate selection, have it blend in as best as possible. Just so it looks like it actually belongs. Okay, so that's your cloning tool. Up next, healing.